Straight back.
I served 21 years in the Navy. I served my first 10 years of active duty. I was stationed on the USS Henry L. Stimson, which is a nuclear ballistic missile submarine. I left active duty in 1997, joined the reserves in 1998, and from 1998 to 2009, I served in several different units in the Navy Reserves, retiring in 2009.
I called him and said, by the way, I just nominated you for Country 106.3 and AJP Cares for new heating system. And so he was like, oh, we're not gonna win, you know, those contests aren't real.
We're here at our 6th installment of our AJP Cares program. We worked in conjunction with 106.3 Thunder radio station, where we selected the Cardins to be recipient of a new HVAC system. For this installation, we're going to be installing a Carrier performance heating and air conditioning system. The customer had a system in place. It was about 30 years old, and it was starting to give them some trouble, and they told me a couple minutes ago that they've really been crossing their fingers for the last couple of years trying to really get the system to work for them.
There's a Nest Protect carbon smoke detector going up here as well, and a Nest Learning thermostat. Both of them can be synced together on the internet, which is great. You can actually plug them in on your phone and control everything from your phone.
Once again, with the program that we do, it's just an immense honor to be able to do work for people that have served our country.
We come from a long military family. My father served in the Army during Korea. Obviously, I served. I got 2 nephews that are serving now. One is in the Marine Corps, stationed on Marine One, doing presidential duty, and the other one stationed in Germany in the Army. So, you know, we have a long tradition of serving this country and being patriotic. So I'm pretty proud of it.
The beauty about being able to do these things for the veterans and taking care of them is that they kind of take care of themselves as well, you know. Today, Mr. Cardin, I mean, he voted for the other guy, the other 2 people. So he actually put votes in for the 2 people he was up against in the voting. So if that doesn't tell you what kind of heart these people have and what kind of commitment they have to our country, nothing does.
For me, on a personal level, for us as a company, even to the highest levels in the organization, it's just a program that we love doing, the installers love doing, and everybody's just enthusiastic about the response that we've had from it.
I feel really blessed that I can actually do this. We're putting in a furnace and air conditioning system for these guys, which is great. I really hope that we can continue to do this for these guys, and hopefully I can still be a part of this, and I feel really good about doing this.
I just think all in all, the people that we help and these AJP Cares is an outstanding thing. I want to thank 106 for Mr. Cardin.